Hi guys, it's Michaela, and I'm back for another video. So today we're doing some fireworks, and it's night right now. Not really night, but it's darker than usual. So that's why you probably can't see me as much, so you're not blind or anything. It's that reason. So Ava, are you ready to start? So here we have our chairs that we're going to be sitting on. You probably can't see them, but there's a pillow on one chair.
Yeah. And that's my Mackie.
So we have these big ones. We have these.
We got poppers.
Poppets. We have another pack of these. We have these, which you probably can't see really.
And
We have these.
got
We have another one of those, and then we have smoke balls. And we have another one of these. So let's get started. Can we ever say that again?
Huh?
Say that again, what you just said? Say it again.
So we're gonna have fun tonight, everybody.
Okay. So we're first doing the smaller ones, which are going to be these.
And that'd be also.
Yep. So we're first going to do 2 at a time.
So you
We've
come
already
and
done these
say
before.
it. Us.
Shush, we've already done these before, and they're not really well, they are big, but they're not really too big. So we're actually going to do 3 at a time.
So that. And then we have one.
Okay, so.
Run away, everybody. Run, Mary.
So you have to put them all together, and then to actually light.
Just wait, everybody, okay?
Okay.
Where fireworks goes.
That's that little light that's going to start it. Yeah, like I said, they're not really too big, but
Yeah.
the bigger ones are obviously bigger. So.
Yes, you can't see your big. And want to? So. Everyone, get started. I got followed.
So now we're going to do these, which are called lightning flash, and then we have another pack of these, and we're not going to video that, but we are going to video the lightning flash. So that's basically all these are. They're supposed to look like lightning, so yeah. So next we have these. These are throw it in the yard. These are actually kind of big, not really, but they have 3 in them. It's really hard to see, but yeah, we're just gonna do 3 of these. I'm not gonna video all of them. I will video one of them, but not all of them. Yeah, I have to put these pretty far back because they're so good. Yeah.
We want to get back.
They're not really too big, but we still.
Everybody, and then I do. Right?
Yeah, maybe. Now here comes the big part. Okay, those ones, the last part, when they shoot up in the air, they're usually a lot higher than that. So, yeah. Okay, so the next one we're doing is these. These are the kind of big ones, kind of not big ones. So these are the size of these. They're not really too big, but they are kind of big. So we're just gonna do one at a time. That's basically, wait, can you see? That's basically all these are. They are really, really tiny for their size. So they get bigger right here. But that's just about it that these are. Next, we're doing the smoke balls. So we're doing these out in the road because these like to stain the things. So yeah. And y'all might not be able to see the smoke come out. Hopefully y'all do. I hope y'all see that. Oh, I don't think they can see it. It's a lot of smoke though. And it's still smoking. Yeah. I wish y'all could see it. Oh, those smoke balls smell horrible. At the moment you've all been waiting for, we're doing the really big ones. Whoa! That's so little for that big thing though. What? It may be little, but they have a whole bunch of different colors though. Well, thank you guys for watching, and like and subscribe. So, bye.